Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and feeling and effortless, a place where beauty meet. The soft glow of ambient lighting, comfortable seating that invites you to linger, and beautiful design elements that make every evening feel special. This is the outdoor sanctuary you deserve, and the beautiful truth is, you don't need an unlimited budget to create it. Today we're exploring over 100 stunning backyard patio ideas that prove elegance and affordability can absolutely go hand in hand. Whether you're working with a compact urban space or a sprawling suburban yard, the possibilities for transformation are endless. Picture warm wood tones complemented by soft, neutral cushions, creating an inviting atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and comfortable. Envision string lights dancing overhead, casting a magical glow that transforms ordinary evenings into memorable moments. Think about how affordable materials like painted concrete, reclaimed wood, and repurposed furniture can be transformed into design statements that look anything but budget-friendly. The secret lies in thoughtful planning and creative solutions. Layer different textures to outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and natural elements. Mix affordable finds with strategic splurges. Use vertical space for gardens and storage. Choose a cohesive color palette that ties everything together. These simple strategies create visual impact without requiring a fortune. Modern outdoor design in 2025 and celebrates sustainability and smart choices. Reclaimed materials tell a story. DIY projects add personal touches. Container gardens bring life and color without extensive landscaping. Solar-powered lighting reduces costs while adding ambience. Every element works together to create a space that reflects your style and respects your budget. As you explore these ideas, imagine which elements would work in your own space. Would you gravitate toward clean, modern lines with sleek furniture and minimalist planters? Or does your heart lean toward bohemian comfort with layered textiles, eclectic patterns, and abundant greenery? Perhaps you envision a cozy reading nook tucked away with comfortable seating and soft lighting? Maybe you dream of an entertaining space where friends and family gather around a beautifully set table under the stars. Consider how you want to feel in your outdoor space. Do you crave peaceful solitude for morning coffee and evening reflection? Or do you envision lively gatherings filled with laughter and conversation? Your patio should reflect not just your aesthetic preferences, but your lifestyle and how you want to live outdoors. The beauty of these budget-friendly ideas is their flexibility. You can mix, match, and adapt them to create something uniquely yours. Think about the transformation you want to achieve. Sometimes it's as simple as adding a fresh coat of paint to existing furniture, rearranging your layout for better flow, or introducing plants in creative containers. Other times, it's about investing time in DIY projects that yield professional-looking results. Every small improvement contributes to the overall atmosphere, building toward the outdoor haven you've been dreaming of. If these ideas have sparked your imagination and you're excited to start your own backyard transformation, we'd be so grateful if you liked this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. Join our community of outdoor enthusiasts who believe that beautiful spaces are accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. Together, we're creating inspiring outdoor havens one idea at a time. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the inspiration as we take you through these stunning, budget-friendly patio designs.